My patients commonly ask me about rinsing with hydrogen peroxide when they get a canker sore or bite their lip. Can they use what they have in their medicine cabinet? Because their parents used to do it this way and they swore by it. My answer is always, why do that when there's a hydrogen peroxide rinse that doesn't need to be diluted and has a minty fresh taste? I encourage them to use a product like 1.5% hydrogen peroxide rinse, especially for temporary use with cleansing canker sores, minor wounds, or minor gingival inflammation from dental procedures, dentures, orthodontic appliances, accidental injuries, or other irritations that can pop up in the mouth or on the gingiva. I explain to my patients that hydrogen peroxide is great for temporary use because it can break through the slime barrier that protects biofilm while destroying the bacterial cell wall. And this matters because it creates an environment unsuitable for anaerobic bacteria to survive, which can help prevent disease if the patient is unable to clean their mouth. A new orthodontic patient is a great example. Often, small sores occur after the appliances have been placed, and the mouth is tender to brush and adequately clean. Adding a 1.5% hydrogen peroxide rinse can really help to soothe the irritations and manage the bacteria in the mouth. Also, a 1.5% hydrogen peroxide rinse used as a pre-procedural rinse has the potential to decrease the patient's oral microbial load before aerosol generating procedures. We are constantly striving to make recommendations to help patients practice healthy habits so they can live their best lives. But if our patients struggle with canker sores or mouth injuries, we know those healthy habits tend to get forgotten about in the presence of discomfort. Recommending a product that can ease their pain or irritation and bring them back to those healthy habits and carefree moments faster is a win-win situation for everyone. To learn more about preventive solutions, visit henryschein.com.